Good morning everyone. This video tutorial is going to teach you how to use your duplication structure booklet. This is your Global Marketing Director, Sheila Ruiz, teaching you the proper way to duplicate. So get ready with the following tools for this training. As an upline and as the downline being trained, you must be ready with your duplication structure booklet for you to be familiarized with the training and your multiplier workbook because you need to fill in some forms for interactive learning, and you also need your income multiplication program manual for easy reference. In the duplication structure training, we have qualifications for this training. People with a product order and any of the following product order are the ones qualified for this training. So any of the following product orders such as Instant Direct, Express Direct, Straight Cumulative, or Multiplier Bundle. So welcome to the Income Multiplication Program of the Multiplier Pro. This will help you build your passive income for you to enjoy financial freedom. Our mission is to help people multiply their income, build passive income, and achieve financial freedom. And our vision is to create 100 new millionaires every year. Exciting or exciting? So this booklet has two parts. Part 1, set the goal, and part 2, hit the goal. Let's start with part 1. Say this to your new sign up that the goal of the new sign up is Life Builder program. Explain the goal for the month. And the goal is to earn a minimum of 50,000 to 100,000 in 30 days through the Life Builder program. A Life Builder program is a program in lifestyles wherein you enjoy free 9 bottles free if you are able to produce 2 direct distributors in a month. So in this illustration, the example is you has purchased Express Direct, B, your first downline, purchased A, purchased Express Direct, and B, your second downline, purchased Instant Direct. So in the Life Builder, your total potential income is 65,515. This is derived from the profit of your Express Direct, which is 18,670. And your bonus from the Express Direct of A is 14,580. And your wholesale bonus from the Instant Direct of B is 16,085. Now, your free 9 bottles of Intra is worth 16,200, which pwede mong i-retail. So, all in all, the total amount for one Life Builder is 65,515. And this will help you hit your 50,000 goal in 1 month. But if your goal is 100,000 income in 1 month, then hindi enough ang one Life Builder. So, the goal is 2 Life Builder. So, in 2 Life Builder, the income is 112,360. So, this will help you hit your 100,000 income in 30 days. So, you are done with step 1. Now, you go to step 2. You do goal setting with your new downline. So, ask your new downline, what is your goal for this month? Is it 1 Life Builder or 2 Life Builder? Wait for the answer before you proceed to the next training or slide. Okay? So, let's say he has already given his answer. Then, that's the time you proceed to the next, which is convert the month goal to daily target. So, example, if his month goal is 2 Life Builder, that means 4 direct distributors. For Express Direct or for Instant Direct or any combination of the two. So, the month goal then is for Express Direct or for Instant Direct. Now, convert that to daily target. You say this to your new sign up for you to monitor your goal daily. Don't focus on the 4 Express Direct or Instant Direct in a month, but focus on the 4 bottle pushing every day, or focus on the 3 to 5 presentations per day. This is your daily target. This is what you're gonna focus, and the month goal will just follow if you do your daily target. Okay? So now, go to step 3. You inform your new sign up that he has requirements para ma-achieve niya ang life builder. Products, first requirement yan, which is check na siya. Kaya nga siya na-conducta ng duplication structure training kasi may product order siya. Then B is list of dreams. Mag-workshop kayo on 10 dreams. Papalista mo siya ng 10 dreams niya. Big and small dreams. And ang mindset is money and time is not a problem. And this workshop must be done on the spot. May guide on the IMP manual which is on page 101 sa list of dreams. But note, sabihin mo sa new sign up mo na may assignment ka. 10 dreams is kulang yan. Ang kailangan mong tapusin is 101 list of dreams. And you must submit that to me within 48 hours. So mag-take ka ng picture ng list of dreams mo with the 101 dreams and send it to me. Okay, so sa ngayon, maglista ka muna ng 10 dreams mo. Ito yung guide mo. Okay? So, what do I want to do for fun? What possessions do I desire? Cars, house, properties. Where do I want to travel or live? So, ano-ano mga countries na gusto mong puntahan? Or you want to settle? Or you want to live there? How many homes do I envision having? What contribution do I want? Ano yung gusto mong maging service sa community, mga charity na gusto mong tulungan, schools, so ilista mo yan. Okay? So, say, natapos na siya ng 10 dreams, then you go to the next step, which is list of people. You do workshop on 100 names. You ask your new sign up, kailangan mo maglista. Ngayon, hindi tayo pwede mag-proceed sa next step if hindi mo matapos maglista ng 100 names. So, workshop for 20 minutes. Give your new sign up 20 minutes to list his 100 names. But sabihin mo sa kanya, may assignment ka pa. After mo maglista ng 100 names, you have 48 hours to finish your 1,000 list of people. Take a picture of this and send it to me. Okay? Yan ang assignment mo. So, sa ngayon, mag-workshop na tayo. Ito yung guide, page 103 sa manual. List of people, relatives and friends. So, who are your relatives and friends from mother's side, from father's side, all neighbors, past and current, all classmates from elementary, high school, college, masteral, then all office mates or business associates or co-members in organization or community, past and current, all professionals, and all relatives and friends abroad. Pag hindi pa siya nakumpleto yung 100 names, you go to page 104 of your IMP manual where you can find triggered questions. In the triggered questions, there are 100 questions. And this will easily help him remember his list of people. Imagine one answer lang per question, he can already generate 100 names from that. Okay? So, after maglista siya ng 100 names, you go to the next step which is profiling. Sabihin mo sa kanya, now let's identify from your notebook kung saan nandyan yung list of people mo, identify natin yung mga target market. Ang target market natin dito para mabilis kang makapag-build ng network, para dumami ka. Unahin natin the people in your list of people na who can afford to pay in cash or credit card, either product or business or both. Kasi bawal tayo dito magpautang. Another profile na target market natin is yung mga negosyante, rakitera, naghahanap ng additional income or sideline. Then, another naman na profile na pwede mo mahanap sa list of people mo is yung mga burnout na sa negosyo or sa trabaho nila. Then, another right market is big dreamer. So, any of the 4. Hindi kailangan yung 4 Kailangan ay yung apat na sa isang tao. Pwedeng any of the four lang. Pag meron, mark check beside the name of the person. Okay? And lahat ng may check ka, meaning to say, yan ang target market natin. Yung blank, meaning to say, later na lang natin sila kausapin. Priority natin yung may mga check. So, for the marked names, beside sa check, lagyan mo ng I if kailangan mong i-invite yan kasi hindi mo alam saan nakatira or saan nagtatrabaho or saan nagnenegosyo. But if alam mo, lagyan mo na ng V, meaning to say, surprise visit na yan. And huwag kang mag-alala, even if hindi niya alam na pupuntahan natin, may training tayo dyan paano mag-surprise visit. Okay. So, we are done with part 1. Let's go to part 2, which is hit the goal. In part 2, may tatlong steps. Step 1 is, you need to do the following basic activities. First, basic activity is STP. So, our main description dito is talking to people, helping people. We need to talk to 3 to 5 people a day. Gaya ko rin, gaya mo, each one of us needs to do 3 to 5 presentations. At ang presentation can be done face-to-face or it can also be done online. So, using your file, soft copy ng ating flip chart, gamitin mo yan in your online presentation. It could be in Zoom, Google Meet, or any online platform na pwede mong gamitin where you can do the presentation. Then, second, basic activity is every after STP, fill in your income multiplication counter. Ito yung itsura nun. So, example dito, of course, ilagay mo yung name mo, yung daily goal mo, ilang bottles ba every day, ano yung month income goal mo for the month. So, step 1 is do 5 presentations STP per day. Okay? Step 2, write in each box the number of bottles sold per STP. So, 1 box means 1 STP. Okay? That's the corresponding box per STP. Step 3, total your daily retail profit from your STPs. Step 4, send this income multiplication counter daily to your core upline. And step 5, do this daily for 90 days straight. 90 days challenge, which 90 days challenge is equal to a lifetime of comfort. Okay. So, per day, ilalagay mo dyan sa box per STP kung nakailang bottles ang na-push mo. Okay, and then, sa baba, may retail profit. Pagkano ang retail profit mo dyan sa combined bottles na na-push mo for the day. And then, ano yung score mo for that day. So, 1 point ka dyan if daily goal achieve ka. If na-hit mo yung daily target mo, 1 point ka dyan. Or, if hindi mo na-hit yung daily target mo, or maski 0 yung bottle pushing mo, pero you're able to do 3 to 5 STPs with photos, then na sinend mo sa upline mo, 1 point ka rin dyan. Or, may na-close kang 1 independent distributor. At least, nag 2,000 sign up. Okay, 1 point ka. Or, wala kang na-close, wala kang nabenta, pero nag-conduct ka ng duplication structure training or SUMA or goal setting pro sa bago mong downline or sa team mo, then 1 point ka rin dyan. Or 1 point ka rin if you attended face-to-face HOPE and DSO workshop. Now, 2 points ka naman if you're able to push 1 BT kit or close 1 Express Direct or Instant Direct. At least 1, di ba? Better if you're able to close more. Now, 2 points ka rin dyan if you have done 7 to 10 STPs in a day with pictures. Or, 2 points ka if you attended the face-to-face RLT, SLT, GMD Summit, may momentum session ka on that day, so 2 points ka na. Then, 2 points ka rin if you attended interactive workshop of GMD Peng or the online bootcamp training of the Multiplier Pro. So, every day, naka-fill up yan. Pag walang STP, then, lagyan mo ng X yung box mo. For 31 days, i-total mo yan, tapos i-divide mo by 25 days times 100%, that's equivalent to your rating. Every time magpa-counsel ka ng upline mo, dala-dala mo tong income multiplier counter para your upline can guide you well. Okay. So, tapos ka na mag-explain sa income multiplication counter to your new sign up. Now, you go to step 2, skills workshop. In this workshop, tuturuan mo yung bago mong sign up ng 3 basic skills. Skill number 1, invitation and surprise visit. Okay? Skill number 2, ang ituturo mo dyan is yung presentation. Skill number 3 is closing. Yan muna yung skills na ituturo mo sa kanya. Kasi yun yung pinaka-basic na kailangan niyang matutunan para ma-operate na kaagad niya yung business niya. So, sabihin mo sa new sign up mo na trinitrain mo ngayon, sa invitation, for invitation, contact your list of people for an appointment. Your goal is to get a confirmed date, time, and place for your appointment. So, in your call, hindi ka magme-mention ng intra, hindi ka magbebenta ng package, hindi ka magre-recruit. Just get that date, time, and place. Doon ka lang mag-focus. For surprise visit naman, no need for appointment, visit your list of people at home or business address. And if you can, bring fruits or any food, simple food, to make your LOP feel special. So, in doing your invitation or surprise visit, huwag ka munang intra kaagad, but first engage in a lively conversation and establish connection. Make the prospect feel at ease. Build rapport through form. F for family, O for occupation, R for recreation, and M for motivation. And choose any of the 4 lang. Huwag naman lahat. Okay? So, example sa family, oy, kumusta? Kumusta mama mo? Pag occupation naman, how's your business? Kumusta ang takbo ng negosyo? Sa recreation, oy, nagzuzumba ka pa ba? Kailan bang schedule nyo? Baka naman pwede ako sumama. Maki-join ako sa group mo. Or M for motivation. Grabe no, ang laki siguro ng pangarap mo. Kasi ang sipag-sipag mo, ang dami mong racket. Siguro mahal na mahal mo yung mga family mo. O siguro gusto mo talaga ng magandang buhay, no? So, yan, motivation. So, and after ka nag-build ng rapport, then go to the financial freedom approach. PPP. Pain, Plan, Proposal. Magdig ka muna ng mga problems niya, pain niya, para maipasok mo yung opportunity. Kasi ang hirap ipasok yung opportunity pag hindi mo alam where the prospect is coming from. Then, after nakuha mo yung pain, plan ka na. Edify the person, relate ka sa pain niya. Kailangan maging relatable ka na tao, na hindi ka perfect sa mata ng iyong prospect. So, after ka nag-relate sa pain niya, ask the prospect of his solution or plano niya. Then, relate doon sa plano niya and give your testimony. Proposal. Proposal is sell out the lifestyles business, your mentor, your event. Dito mo na isi-sell out yung opportunity. So, example of the form. You chose occupation para mag-build ng rapport. So, sinabi mo, hi, kumusta? Kumusta ang trabaho? I bet, masayang-masaya ka dyan. Ang tagal mo na dyan, 15 years already, di ba? Tapos, sasagot yung prospect mo, ay, nako, ang liit pa rin ng sweldo. So, yun, nakuha mo yung pain. But if hindi mo makuha yung pain, ask more and more questions. Dig deeper para makuha mo yung pain or challenges niya sa buhay. And these are the examples of the pain na pwedeng mag-surface sa conversation mo with your prospect. Okay? So, after mo nakuha yung pain niya, in this example, ang pain ng prospect mo is, ay, nako, ang liit ng sweldo. Then, ask his plan. When you ask plan, gamitin mo tong sequence. First, i-honor mo muna siya, i-edify mo muna yung prospect mo. Bear in mind na ang prospect mo ang bida. Siya yung pinaka-importanteng tao sa harap mo. Relate to his pain, and then ask his plan. So, example of the flow. Honor. I honor you for being so loyal and hardworking. Ang swerte ng employer mo sa'yo. Then, relate. Nakaka-relate ako sa'yo. You reminded me of my job before. Ang sipag ko din. Halos overtime, araw-araw, para at least tumaas yung kita. Pero kapos pa rin sa budget. ang sweldo ko, ang bagal ng increase habang ang bilihin, ang bilis tumaas ng presyo. So, naka-honor ka, naka-relate ka. So, ngayon, that's the time na tanungin mo siya, what's your plan? So, anong plano mo? Malit yung sweldo mo dyan. So, ang example sa sagot niya dito is, bala ko magnegosyo. But note na you can also, your prospect can also answer others. Like, try ko mag-work abroad or lilipat ako ng kumpanya na mas mataas yung sweldo. So, in this example, sabihin lang natin, sinabi niya, bala ko magnegosyo. Then ask, anong negosyo yan? Magkano sa tingin mo ang initial investment dyan? Ilang years ang ROI mo dyan? May experience, knowledge ka na ba sa negosyo na yan? Or may mentor ka bang magtuturo paano palakihin yung business mo? Kasi alam mo, 90% of startup business fail dahil sa trial and error kasi nga walang nagtuturo. So, hintayin mo yung sagot niya. Posible, sasagot siya. Siguro mga, example sa sagot ng prospect mo. Siguro mga 150,000 yung initial investment. Di ko alam kailan ang ROI. Wala akong mentor, susubukan ko lang. Continue the conversation. Use this sequence. Relate, then sell out mentor. So, in relate, sabihin mo, ganyan din ako. After I resign, nag-business din ako. Yung separation pay ko, ginamit ko ng puhunan sa milk tea shop. Kaya lang, di rin nagtagal. Nalugi ako dahil sa price war ng competitors. Bagsak presyo, pero yung overhead expenses ko, malaki pa rin. Nahirapan ako kasi walang nag-mentor sa akin. So, sell out mo yung mentor. Alam mo, may angel na dumating sa buhay ko. Na-meet ko ang isang tao during the time na pabagsak na ang business ko. Alam mo, siyang nagturo sa akin paano kumita ng malaki pero less ang overhead at kapital. Sobra akong grateful sa mentor ko kasi dahil sa kanya, bayad na ang mga utang ko. Nakakaipon na ako, nakaka-invest na ako ngayon. Okay? So, choose any of the following dito sa mga magiging testimony mo. Basta ang key dito is after mo na sell out yung mentor, mag-share ka ng testimony mo dito. Okay? Yung business testimony. So, after you sell out your mentor, proposal. Choose any of the following. What if may ma-meet mo ang mentor ko? What if pwede ka rin niyang matulungan? Maglalaan ka ba ng time para ma-meet siya? Ay, pag nakausap mo siya, marami kang malalaman na solutions. Ang dami na niyang natulungan. Gusto kong ma-meet mo siya. Marami siyang tinuturuan, pero pwede akong humingi ng time sa kanya para sa'yo. Maglalaan ka ba ng oras para ma-meet siya? Mabait yun. At matulungin. Anong oras ka bakante? Then get the date, time, and place. Okay? And use the format below. Kailan ka pwede? Friday or Saturday? Then wait for the answer. Then sa place naman, okay, sige, kita tayo sa Southgate Mall in Alpha Land or sunduin kita sa bahay mo. Then wait for the answer and then get the time. 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. And then wait for the answer. After nakuha mo yung date, time, and place, which is yun lang talagang focus mo, then recap. Okay, magkita tayo this Saturday, 2 p.m. sa Alpha Land, Southgate Mall. I-PM kita pag on the way na ako. Bye! Okay. So yun, nag-sell out ka ng mentor at event. But, if walang mentor, malayo ka sa mentor mo, tsaka walang event sa area mo, eto yung gamitin mo sa proposal. What if makakatulong ako sa'yo? Well, willing ka bang magkita tayo? Anong oras ka libre? So, this one, sell out ka na ng appointment. Get the date, place, and time. And after nagkita kayo, so, on the day na nag-meet up kayo, so, ano ka na, start your conversation with, oh, hi, Lynn. Good morning. Kumusta? I'm glad to see you. Thanks for giving time to my invitation. Alam mo, I really wanna help you. Tingnan mo itong ginagawa ko. This might help you too. Then get your multiplier flip chart and start your presentation. As simple as you read the lines on each page of the flip chart. Then you are already doing your presentation. And in between, you insert your testimony. Yun yung pinaka-basic na presentation. For surprise visit naman, Siyempre, pinuntahan mo sa bahay, wala siyang kaalam-alam na bibisita ka. So, sasabihin mo, "Hi Lynn, good morning, kumusta? Alam mo, galing ako doon sa kabilang kanto. And then, naisipan kong mag-drop by dito sa inyo kasi baka nandito ka. So, I'm glad nandito ka. I have something for you." And then, give your presents. Okay, it could be fruits or simple food. Then, mag-build ka na ng rapport. Again, using the form na tinuro ko sa'yo earlier. After building rapport, use FFA. Remember sa FFA? Pain, plan, proposal. Okay, same format sa pain, same format sa plan. Dito lang nagkakaiba sa proposal. Kasi sa proposal, hindi ka na mag-sell out ng mentor, hindi ka na mag-sell out ng event. But diretso ka na dito sa presentation. So, after mo na ko yung pain, again, may plan, then ang proposal mo is what if may solusyon ako na makakatulong sa challenge, problema mo. Makikinig ka ba? Pag ang prospect mo nagtanong, ano ba yan? Heto. Kunin mo na yung flip chart mo, tingnan mo to. Baka makatulong din to sa'yo. Ito yung nakatulong sa akin. Then, start your presentation na kagad. Magbasa ka na kung anong nandyan sa flip chart. Okay? So, naturo mo yung presentation na skill sa new sign up mo. Okay? And eto uplines. Eto i-remind mo sa new trainee mo or new sign up mo or new downline mo na as simple as gamitin at basahin yung flip chart para duplicable. Kasi hindi lahat magaling magbenta. Hindi lahat magaling mag-present. So, laking tulong ng duplication sa team pag everyone is using the flip chart. Then, sabihin mo sa kanya, mag-share din siya ng pain sa kanyang prospect para relatable siya. And mag-share siya ng story niya, bakit siya nag-lifestyles. And in storytelling, maganda rin na gamitin din niya yung Millionaire's Journal, aralin niya, basahin din niya yon para mas marami siyang ma-share na business testimonies. Okay. So, naturuan mo na yung bago mong sign up ng invitation, surprise visit, at presentation. Ngayon, ang last na basic skill na ituturo mo sa kanya is closing. And in closing, sabihin mo there are two ways. Business closing and product closing. So, in business closing, after mag-present ka using your flip chart, ito yung sasabihin mo. How would you like to start your income multiplication program? Instant direct or express direct? Wait for the answer. Okay? Pag sumagot siya, pag nakapili na siya, ask your prospect to fill in the registration form. Dapat dala-dala mo yung registration form. And after the form is filled in by your prospect, ito yung follow-up question mo sa kanya. Anong isusulat ko on the payment portion? Cash, check, or credit card? Wait for the answer. After you've gotten the answer, then i-process mo na yung order. It could be online or it could be offline, manual, send mo sa Lifestyles Office. Pag hindi mo pa siya na-close sa first step, then use number 2, which is use goal setting tool as a closing tool. Saan mo makikita itong goal setting tool? In your Multiplier Pro Guide. This is another tool para makatulong sa'yo mag-build ng professional network. Okay. So, sa goal setting tool, step 1, i-draw mo yung ladder of success. Step 2, draw the P6 line of sponsorship map, wherein mag-sponsor siya ng 6. Okay? Meaning to say, maglalatag ka ng kitaan dito. Step 3, explain the power leg and the passive income from a power leg downline. Okay? Sabihin mo dito, na ang royalty bonus mo from a new power leg is at least 40,000, pero pag nag-GMD power leg na yan, 300,000 yung royalty bonus niya. Paano mag-GMD? Mag-train ng 6 na power legs. And dito sa illustration, if GMD ka at may 6 ka rin na GMD downlines, ang royalty bonus mo is 1.8 million. Okay? So that's how you do goal setting as a closing tool. Para maintindihan niya. kung gaano kalaki yung potential ng passive income dito sa Lifestyles. Okay. So, naturuan mo na siya ang bago mong sign up, bago mong downline, paano mag-closing through goal setting. But hindi pa niya na-close through goal setting, sabihin mo sa kanya, i-guide mo yung prospect sa capital mechanism form, which is found on page 114 in our IMP manual. And you do your storytelling. You tell the stories of GMD Peng, GMD Jun Igot, GMD Eva Aradillas, GMD Nera Quiros, and other GMDs. Paano nila na-source yung pangsimula nila dito sa Lifestyles. Okay? So yan, these are the possible sources para makabuo ng Instant Direct or Express Direct package. And after the capital mechanism form, if the cash or the card generated is from 25,000 to 30,000, then i-close mo na siya ng straight cumulative. Okay? Pag hindi siya naka-generate within 24 hours ng pang express direct dito, pang dagdag sa kanyang 25 to 30,000, then after 24 hours, i-close mo na ng straight cumulative. Ang straight cumulative is yung bibili ng 500 points. So, that's around 3 PT kits and 1 Nutria or 1 Fiber Life. Okay. Then, turuan mo na rin. So, eto, sabihin mo sa new downline mo, turuan mo na rin yung prospect mo ng SC2D. So, ano yung SC2D? Straight Commu to Direct. So, there are 2 steps para maging direct distributor siya, even if nag-start lang siya ng straight cumulative. First step is, mag-purchase siya ng straight commu package, which is worth 22,240. Second, maghanap siya ng 2 tao na magsa-sign up din as straight commu package. And he must do this in 30 days. And if he's able to do this, then ma-promote siya to direct distributor and ma-enjoy na niya yung 5 ways to earn in the business. Pag ang cash or card generated is 10K, then close with the multiplier bundle. So, ang multiplier bundle is yung may sign up na 2,000, 2 intra, 1 Nutria, 1 Fiber Life, 1 Cardio Life. Turuan mo na rin yung bago mong trainee or downline, paano mag-convert from multiplier bundle to direct distributor. Paano mag-promote ng DD through MB2D. So, that's multiplier bundle to direct. First, purchase multiplier bundle and the investment is 8,995. Second, after na push, na benta yung first BT kit, reinvest the 6,995 to purchase another BT kit. After na benta yung BT kit, reinvest again 6,995 to purchase 1 BT kit. After na benta naman yung BT kit na yan, reinvest na lang 1,255 to purchase 1 Nutria or Fiber Life. This is to complete the 500 minimum points na personal volume. So, yung pagre-reinvest, hindi to bagong pera. Ito yung nagsisimula lang sa unang investment niya na 8,995. Nag-roll lang siya ng capital. Okay? And the last step is, kailangan niya mag-sponsor ng 6 na tao na mag-invest din ng multiplier bundle each. And he must do this in 30 days para ma-promote to direct distributor and to enjoy the 5 ways to earn in the business. Now, if ang cash generated is only 2K and after 24 hours, 2K pa rin, hindi na dagdagan, then i-process na yan ang registration ng prospect. Okay. Now, that's for the business closing. Turuan mo rin yung bago mong sign up, paano mag-product closing, if and when ang approach niya is product pushing, kasi need ng prospect yung product kasi may sakit yung prospect. So, in product closing, ang script mo dito, so ito yung sasabihin mo sa sign up mo, ang product closing is, our product is 6 months detox program, which is 1 BT kit per month. So, why 6 months? First month is cleansing, second month is reactivating, third month is rebuilding, and 4th to 6 months is maintaining new level of health. So, how would you like to start with your detox program? 1 BT kit or 6 BT kits? Then wait for the answer. After the prospect has decided what to buy, may say this follow-up question. What will I write on the receipt for your money back guarantee? Cash, check, or credit card? So, if nagbayad na, then bigyan mo na siya ng product niya. But if hindi pa na-close, eto yung next mo na question sa prospect. For you to enjoy the amazing benefits of the products, when would you like to have a follow-up? Tomorrow or the day after tomorrow? Then wait for the answer. And then that answer, inote mo kasi magpa-follow up ka na naman sa prospect mo. Okay. So you're done with step 1 and step 2. Naituro mo na sa bago mong downline. Now you go to step 3, which is daily routine. So in this part, i-explain mo sa bago mong downline, ima-mindset mo siya na there are 6 steps para ma-achieve niya yung mga dreams niya through the lifestyles opportunity. Number 1 is do STPs, and that is 3 to 5 full presentations per day. And he must fill in his income multiplication counter every day, take a picture niyan, and send it every day sa upline niya. And then number 2, part ng updating ng upline is yun, yung IM multiplication counter, and then may close communication for brainstorming and counseling. Then number 3, sabihin mo sa kanya, need mo rin mag-conduct ng home meeting. And you ask your upline support, let me know kung kailan ang home meeting mo so I can be there and support you. You also need to attend events and trainings like HOPE and DSO, Complan Workshop, Product Workshop, RLT, Skills Workshop. Then you also need to conduct your own. Hindi lang enough na mag-a-attend ka, but as a leader, lalo na pag may downline ka na, maski isa lang yan, you also need to conduct your HOPE. NDSO, Duplication Structure Training, Workshop. Repeat all steps until you achieve your dreams. Okay, so done na tayo sa part 1 and part 2. Yan ang sasabihin mo sa new sign up mo. And this time, let's set our expectation between upline and downline. Let's fill in the blanks. Paki-fill up nito, your name, your income goal for the month, your PIN level goal for the month, and you also need to fill up the letter of intent on page 111 of the IMP manual. Ako naman, as your upline, I will also answer these 3 questions. Of course, ang sagot ko dyan, lahat is yes. Kasi I want you to grow. Kasi responsibility kita as an upline. Then, pirma tayo dito. Okay? To affix our commitment and expectation. So, ito na yung letter of intent. You will fill this up and I will take a photo of this after you fill it up. Okay? Yan, basahin mo na lang yan. And then, getting started checklist. Ito naman is your guide na ibigay mo muna yung lahat na kaya mong ibigay dito sa business mo. And wag kang mag-quit. And make sure na comply mo lahat dito, na check mo lahat ito. Meaning to say, you've really done your part para maging successful ka in your lifestyles business. Pag meron dyan na hindi mo pa na-check, so, i-comply mo muna yan kasi baka yan ang kulang para ma-hit mo yung goal mo. So, tapos na, from time to time, hihingin ko rin tong getting started checklist mo para to monitor you kung ano pa yung mga kulang mo na trainings or mga tools or events para ma-empower ka. So we are done with your first training, our duplication structure training. Congratulations on your first training. Always remember to have fun in your journey. And binabasbasa na kita to go and multiply. So that's it, folks. You're done training your new sign up. And make sure na na-fill up niya yung kailangan niyang fill upan sa multiplier workbook niya At ikaw din as an apply, meron ka ring copy ng multiplier workbook. Okay? Thank you so much everyone and happy training!